how to fix the red cross error on OneDrive files. So a red cross or red X icon next to your OneDrive files means that specific file or folder is completely blocked from syncing to the cloud. This usually happens because your cloud storage is full or the sync engine has hit a data lock or permission conflict. Today, we're looking at how to clear these error icons and get your file syncing properly again. So let's look at the first step. Before trying any advanced technical steps, we need to check if your account has run out of cloud space. So guys, you can look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar screen. Then guys, left click on the OneDrive cloud icon, which should be right here, and then open up settings, right here. And in here you can look at the bottom left of the panel to see your storage meter. As you can see, I have 0.1 out of 5 gigs on a free account. You can also see the same graph and the same storage percentage or usage here, right, also on the website. So if your storage is completely full, you must delete some files from your cloud trash bin to free up space. If your storage is fine, the app is likely just glitched. Just right click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray, and then in here just press on pause syncing in here, and then pause syncing for some period of time, say 1 hour or something like that. So just let's pause it for 2 hours, there you go. And choose quit OneDrive in the same window, right here, quit, and confirm. And then just open up your start menu, search for OneDrive, launch it again, and just make a fresh and clean reload. And if that doesn't help, search for OneDrive inside your entire storage, right click, click copy as path, then open up the run window. Let me bring it up right here, paste this, remove the quotation marks, type in /reset and press OK. There you go. And the taskbar cloud should disappear for a bit, and then it's going to be back again. So once it becomes active again and goes back online, it will automatically rescan your directory paths and clear the red crosses. That's all you need to do, guys. Enjoy and see you soon.